How to change frame rate in the Filmora app. If you have been using the Filmora app and wondering on how to change the frame or the size of it, then don't worry. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Filmora app just like this. After opening the app, make sure you have added the video that you want to edit, just like this. Now to change the frame rate, tap onto the video timeline track just right here. Tap on it. Then here you can find the crop option right here at the bottom. Now select it. Now to change the frame rate, you can choose from one of these sizes just right here. Now choose one just like this, or you can simply do it in a free way. Tap onto the corners right here just like this, and then simply zoom in or zoom out to adjust them just like this. After that, tap onto the check mark, and now you can see the size has been changed. And that's it. This is how you can change frame rate in the Filmora app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.